By now you should have a USA bank account, but if you don't, you are in luck, because in this video you'll be learning how to get a USA bank account like this from the comfort of your home, even without being to US. Now if you live in Nigeria, you should know that you need a USA bank account to send and receive funds outside the country, right? Because most of our jobs, gigs and transaction comes from the US, right? Mostly if you are a freelancer, Amazon KDP publisher, or you are a content creator. Now, this US bank account can be linked directly to your PayPal account, of which you can use to receive funds directly into your PayPal account. And right here in this video, I'll be showing you the perfect platform that gives you good value for your money. This platform I'll be revealing to you has what we call an advantage other platform does not have, right? Now, the first thing you have to do is to click on the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section, right? Once you click on that link, you'll be landing in this very website right here, right? You'll be landing right here in this very website, right? Now, this platform is called Cleva, right? As you can see, USD banking without borders. Open a USA-based dollar account in your name to receive USSD funds. There are three major advantages of having an account with Cleva right now, right? Now, one of the three major advantages is that number one is that you have to have your USA bank account immediately once you create your account, right? Number two advantage is that you have to get your money directly into your bank account at the best black market rate, right? You can go ahead and do your research to know more about this. Now, number three advantage of this platform is that you have to get your money immediately a transaction is initiated, right? That means you get your money to your bank account immediately any transaction is being initiated in this very platform, right? This is the three advantage you have with this platform while creating an account with them. So with this said, let's just go properly into this video as I show you how you can create an account with this very platform, right? Now you can get this platform on Google Play Store and App Store, as you can see right here, right? Now, before I walk you through on how you can create an account with this very platform, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and right here in this channel, I drop videos on how you can make money online, productive videos like this, and how you can easily start a business right here on the internet and other related tech videos, right? If this sounds useful to you, please, I would love you right now to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on bell notification. If you want to be seeing more of my face, right, you have to click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like this video, and drop a comment, right? Thank you in advance. So let's go over and create a free account with this very platform. And the first thing you have to do is to click on this very top right corner. The next thing you have to do is to click on create account. Now the first thing they will ask you is that you have to put in your first name, your last name. As you can see, say government issue ID card. We can only accept document IDs from countries on this list, right? So you are from Nigeria, click on Nigeria right here. Then the next thing you have to do is that you have to put in your email address, right? You put in your phone number, right? So the next thing right here is to put in your password, right? You have to put in a strong password, right? That has uppercase, lowercase, and number and symbol. So we go ahead right now and put in our password right now. The referral code, you're going to be seeing my referral code right here, is optional, but you have to put in my referral code, of which I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video right before the link, right? So the next thing right here is, how did you hear about Cleva? From YouTube, right? Click on from YouTube. If you are seeing this video outside YouTube, you can click on any of this platform you are seeing it from, right? Read and agree to Cleva. Click on it, then you click on create account. Boom, your account is already created, right? As you can see, verify your email address. We have sent you an email address. So the next thing you are going to do right now is to go over to our Gmail address and verify our Gmail immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and verify our email right here. Click on here. As you can see, our email is verified. Click on login, then put in your login details right here. The next thing we're going to do right now is to put in our 4-digit PIN to authorize our transaction. This is more like your transaction PIN, right? It's going to be 4-digit. Put it right there. Click on submit. Then it's going to be created. Click on continue, right? I'm going to ask you to confirm your PIN you just put in right now. Submit it. And it's going to be confirmed, right? Boom, your account is created and you just log in right now. The next thing you'll be asking is that, how do I get my USA bank account? Is very simple. You must verify your identity before you can have a US account. As you can see, welcome Norma, your identity needs to be verified. Click to complete KYC. So the next thing to do right now is to complete your KYC to have your USA account right now. So you can see there's 3 simple steps to complete KYC. Provide your personal information, verify your ID, upload your passport, voter's card, and NIN, then take a selfie to complete your verification. Ensure your documents are valid and you'll be verified within 1 day, right? Now, this process takes between 2 to 12 hours before it gets verified. Click on get started. You're going to put in your full name right here, and make sure the full name you are putting right here is the same in your ID card. This is very important because many people get it wrong here, right? It must be the same with your ID card because this is what they will use to verify your identity. Your date of birth, right? Your nationality, which is Nigeria. then your bank verification number, which is your BVN, your country, your address, your city, and your state. Now I'm done with all this right now. I've put in my BVN, my address, and what I'm going to do next is to click on save and continue, right? And it's going to verify my identity number. As you can see, BVN is verified. Click on next, and it's going to take you to the next step right away. The next step you are going to do right now is to click on employment and source of funds, right? Current employment status, click on self-employed, right? If you are not self-employed, click on that, right? Current occupation, just click on anything that is related to what you're doing, right? I'm just going to search for what is related to what I'm doing right here. Primary source of accounts, receive salary from employer, receive payment from freelancer. Where do you expect most of your payment to come from? Then you're going to click on maximum at least two socks. You select where your payment will be received, right? Click on Fiverr, paper, and Upwork, right? That's the two major aspects payment you receive from, right? Click on paper and Fiverr or Upwork. How much do you expect to receive each month? Let's click on $1,000 to $5,000 right here. And will you receive funds for yourself or behalf of someone else? Click on I receive for myself, right? Click on save and continue, right? You're going to click on next. The next thing you're going to ask is that your document verification, right? This is very important because this is where the ready is. They want you to identify yourself via your means of identification. This can be a international passport, driver license, voter's card, or NIN number, right? Which of these can work for you? I'll click on NIN number because this is very easy and straightforward. Click on enter NIN number. You're going to enter your 11 digit of NIN right here. So putting your NIN right here, click on submit, right? And it's going to load up. If you're using now your identity card, as you can see, NIN verified successfully. If you're using your voter's card, just put in your voter's card. You can snap it or you can put the number right there, or driver license, whichever means you are using to verify your identity. Make sure you just follow their steps and you'll be good to go. Click on next. As you can see, they want to take a selfie. This is the last aspect right now. Take a selfie, a simple selfie of yourself. That means they want to make sure it's you that is having this account, right? I'll just go ahead and take a live selfie right now. Allow. Have it on my face right now. KYC verification pending. Thank you for submitting your information. We will send you notification within 1 to 2 days with the status of your verification. Click on dashboard, and in the next 1 to 2 days, or which is the next few hours, this will take probably few hours or one day, depending the day you verify yourself, right? So guys, later on that day, my account was verified. As you can see, a few hours ago. Dear normal, congratulations, your KYC was successful. You can start receiving USSD payments, start saving USSD. So I've already received the email link right now. So if I click on here, I say click to request a US virtual account. The request for virtual card is free, right? You don't have to pay any money at all. Click on I acknowledge. It's going to load up, right? Your virtual card is getting ready. You will be notified within about 1 day when your virtual card is ready to use, right? As you can see, once you follow this process, at the next few hours or a day, you'll be seeing your USA bank account on this dashboard right here. We just received another Gmail right now that our account was successful. As you can see right now, our account is live and it's ready. As you can see, our USSD account is live and it's ready. Click on add funds, so you can see that this is my account name, right? Account name Evans Onoma. This is the bank, lead bank. This is the account number, the routing number. The account type is a personal checking type, and this is the account address, right? 9450 Southwest Drive, right? USA, right? I already have a USA account, but I'm not living in US, right? And this is just what is it called? The minimum deposit is $1.5, right? And the maximum deposit is $5,000, right? Right, and you can receive money. You can link this to your PayPal account, your Upwork account, your Amazon KDP account, whichever account you want to link it to. I believe this video was valuable to you. I believe you got value from this video. Thanks again. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value from this video. If you do got value, please do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Now, liking this video will not cost you anything. Like this video, subscribe, and drop your comment in the comment section if you have any reasons, if you have any concern, you have any issues in creating your account or verify yourself. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply to you and attend to your issues, right? If you have any questions for me, if you got value from this video, also let me know in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this very channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to this channel right now. Click on all bell notifications so you don't miss out from any valuable videos on this channel, and also like this video. Thank you very much. If you want to learn how you can create a working verify business paper account. You can access that video right here, right now. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.